Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by reducing constraints. Plug the Crusher Evo into your device with a high-quality 3.5 cable. This gives direct signal and avoids Bluetooth headroom limits. Once connected, set your phone or DAC to 100% output and turn off any loudness limiters or battery savers. This ensures the amplifier receives full drive. Make sure headphones are charged above 50% so the internal amp can deliver consistent power. This first step gives you baseline loudness without altering hardware. Next, you refine signal chain and controls. Raise the Crusher Evo bass slider moderately because the subwoofer can mask perceived loudness, then compensate with overall gain so mids and highs stay present. If your device has weak headphone output, add a compact DAC/amp. It boosts headroom and clarity. Also update the headphone's firmware and turn off any energy-saving modes that throttle the amp. These steps change both how loud it gets and how clean that loudness sounds, so listen as you tweak. To finish, perform targeted equalization and critical listening. Gently boost the 2 to 6 kHz range for increased perceived loudness. This often makes music sound louder without raising peak amplitude. Play several reference tracks at different dynamics and listen for distortion. If you hear distortion, lower the bass or reduce overall gain because the Crusher's subwoofer can push the amp into clipping. If problems continue, use a limiter or attach an inline attenuator, and make sure firmware remains current to rule out software issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.